What's up YouTube? I hope you guys are doing good. In today's video we are going to be talking about attachment to money. How I want to share you guys this views, man. Let's go. One thing I love about Cape Town is nature, bro. Nature. But yeah, let's get to the video and no spend time. Comment, like, subscribe, let me know what you think about the video. Let's take the channel to 1,000 subscribers. I believe we can do it together. Much love from you guys. So attachment to money, right? What do I mean when I say this? So most of us as traders, including me, 99.9% of the people in the world are attached to money emotionally, right? Which means it allows us to react, right, in a certain way, right, when we feel a certain way about money, right? So let's break it down quickly. So point number one, right, whenever you are attached to something, you don't want to lose it, because the moment you lose it, it's going to affect you, how you're going to feel, and also affect you maybe based on what, let's say in terms of money. Let's say if I have 1,000 rand now, and 1,000 rand equivalent to $50, for example, right, and I'm lose that money, right? The moment I lose that money, that means I might not have money for transport, I might not have money for food, I might not have money for something else, right? So that means I am attached to that 50 rand, so to that $50, right? So if I were to deposit that money into the market, already psychologically, mentally, I am coming with a lot of emotions that don't want to see any losses, right, within this market. Because why? Because I'm already attached to this money. I just want to do what? I just want to 10x it, 5x it, because if I can do that, then I can go back and use that 1,000 rand to do what it was going to do, and then from there the profits to do extra stuff, right? But now I don't want to listen to my instincts or to someone else on YouTube or someone that has experience that's saying, yo, please don't deposit the money that you are going to need, or don't deposit the money that's going to use, don't deposit your last money, right? And we as people and traders, we always want things to work our way. Biggest problem ever, right? So now we end up bringing problems into the market and want the market to solve those problems for us, and it doesn't work like that, right? You can't come to the market attached to money that you don't want to lose and expect the market to give you profitable setup at all times. It doesn't work like that, guys. It doesn't work like that. If you don't want to lose that money, don't deposit. The moment you press deposit, it's no longer your money until you withdraw it back to your bank account. Because the moment it sits on a broker, that means whatever happens, it can be lost at any time, right? The broker can close down. You're not gonna get your money back, right? It's gone. So the moment the money leaves your account, it's no longer your money. So that means the moment you press deposit, you need to detach yourself from that money. But now what I want you to do is, I want you not to detach yourself when you press deposit. I want you to learn to detach yourself before you even make a decision that you want to do what you want to deposit this money, right? So this means that if today I have 1,000 rand and I want to trade this week, which is today, today it's Thursday, right? I want to deposit, right, this money. I need to make a decision. I need to detach myself from that 1,000 3 hours before I even deposit it, so that I know at the back of my mind, when I look at my budget, when I look at my bank balance, the 1,000 rand, I don't even calculate it. It's out of my budget, right? I'm already detached to it. I'm already lost it in my mind, right? So that when I deposit, when it's in the market, if I take a loss of a 200, 300 rand on a trade, it won't affect me as much as it was going to affect me if I only detach myself after I've deposited it, or I didn't even detach myself from the trade at all, right? I hope I'm making sense, because I'm trying to make this as simple as possible so the guys can get it. Stop using money to trade. Stop trading with money that you're attached to. It's going to fuck up your trading psychology, and it's going to make you lose a lot of money on the market, and it's going to make you not see progress. Please try to detach yourself from money. Once you start doing that, you are gonna go to the market with no emotions attached to that money, which means you are going to wait for your setup, which means you are going to accept the losses, which means the outcomes are not gonna be, you're not gonna be married to the outcomes. You are going to allow the market to tell you, yo, you are wrong now. Okay, cool, let's wait. Okay, cool, there's another setup, take another opportunity, boom, break even. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let's try again. Okay, boom, oh, 1 to 1. Okay, we're back on profits. Okay, that's good. Another trade, you understand, you're gonna be able to do that. But the moment now you start depositing money and be like, yo, if I lose this money, then means I need to go back and hustle. Bruh, an advice from me to you, just take that account as blown already without even thinking about anything else. So my advice to you is learn to detach yourself from money before you even deposit that money into your trading account, before you even buy that pro firm. You tell yourself that you don't need this money. Even though you lose it, even the broker closes down with your money, it's fine. I took the risk, that's it, right? The risk doesn't start when you execute. The risk starts before you even deposit, right? So that's just a message from me to you guys, and hope you guys enjoy this video. Please comment below what you think and what you would like to see in the next video. Much love. Please, let's take this channel to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Peace out.